Hello Insider Spider and welcome back to a new video. This video is going to be an SFS recreation of Blue Origin's NS-25 launch, which is going to launch India's first ever space tourist, Mr. Gopi Thotakura, who is also only the second Indian to ever go into space. After, of course, Wing Commander Rakesh Sharma, who went to the Soviet Salyut 7 in 1984. It's been 40 years since an Indian has been in space. So that's pretty awesome. NS-25 is scheduled to launch on May 19th, 2024, which is just one day after this video comes out. So just in case you're wondering. And it's going to launch from Blue Origin's Launch Site 1, which is in West Texas. And apart from Mr. Gopi, there are 5 other personnel on board, which are Mr. Mason Angel, Mr. Sylvian Kyron, Mr. Ed Dwight, Mr. Ken Hess, and Miss Carol Schaller. This mission is going to be Blue Origin's 25th mission and also its 7th human spaceflight mission. And up to this date, this program has flown 31 humans up to the edge of space and back safely. So that is a pretty big number, and me personally, I am very excited for this mission and for Blue Origin's next missions as well. We've already seen how great new Shepard is, and we hope new Glenn also is just as great as new Shepard is, but in a scaled up way, if that makes sense. So that is it for this video. If you guys like this video, then make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe. It helps me a lot. So thank you if you do. And thank you if you don't as well, because thank you either way. Bye.